Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this long leg warmers hack in DTI. So if you want to set up your Cozy-Chic game in DTI, in today's tutorial, I'm going to unveil the secret to create this perfect long leg warmers that will have everyone in awe. So this is how the long leg warmers leg will look like. So let's just get started. So you can just go to the dresser room in here and put on these two items, this one and also this boots right here. So first I'm going to use this and toggle it into even longer, and you can change the color into the color that you like. For example, I'm going to go with this colors in here, and you can change the use a different color for the heels. And next, let's put on this warmers, and you can use the same color with the boots. So this one, you can also choose a different type, but I'm going to just go with this one, toggle one, and that's it. So now this is how the long leg warmers look like. So I hope you like this hack. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.